A warm welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for being here. So today guys, I'm going to share with you how I clean my front load washing machine. Yes, it's a Hisense 8 kg wash and 5 kg dry. I will be sharing with you step by step how I clean it, so stay tuned. And if this is your first time here, I'm Vivian Amos, so kindly consider subscribing and watch the video until the end. First, I have this vinegar, white vinegar. The second one is a used toothbrush. Yes. The third one is a mixture of water and vinegar. I also have my 2 white towels and a washing detergent. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to remove this one. And removing this one, you first push this part here, then it will come out, and this is how dirty it is. I don't know if you can see the dots here. This is how dirty it is, guys. So yeah, hold on tight and I will make it right. Forever I will be right by your side. Oh, I'll never let you down. All my life I will be there for you. I'll always be around when you need someone to carry you. If you're looking for someone to hold, I'll be there to pull you close. I'll never let you down. All my life I will be there for you. Yeah. I'll never let you down. All my life I will be there for you. I'll always be around when you need someone to carry you. Whenever you need my love, need my love. 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 I'll never let you down. All my life I will be there for you. I'll always be around when you need someone to carry you. If you're looking for someone to hold, I'll be there to pull you close. I'll never let you down. Step 2 is to go to this area that holds the powder rack, and you wanna go deeper. Take a wet cloth, remove the detergent that's stuck inside, then you spread your mixture of vinegar and water, then scrub thoroughly with the brush. Wipe with a clean towel, and that will be all about that area. Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far. So step 3 is to open this knob. This knob holds water and some bigger particles that comes from the clothes that you put in the machine. These particles can be stones, zips, they can be anything, guys, you know. So before you do any laundry, guys, make sure you remove everything from the pockets, you zip the trousers or the jackets, guys, just to avoid some things like this. For mine, look at this coin. So make sure you remove any particles that you get from there before you do any cleaning. I'm supposed to, if I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and After cleaning the knob, I will go in with a clean towel, yeah, just to remove the dirt before I spray my mixture. Yeah, it's a mixture of water and vinegar. Yeah, guys, just make sure that everywhere is clean. Look at the dirt inside, so stay tuned.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding, I've been.
Fourth area, guys, is this area in between the rubber. Yes, it holds a lot of dirt, guys, because of the dirty clothes we wash, and also the carpets and tomato guys, yeah, all that. So for mine here, guys, look how dirty it is. So I will be scrubbing it with a brush before I go in with my mixture. That is a mixture of water and vinegar. So I'll be scrubbing it, then I wipe the dust, spray the mixture, then we wipe, and that will be all about that rubber part.
I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your.
So this is the fifth part, yes, the drum area. So for this area, I'm going to use the normal detergents that I used for laundry. So I'll be just putting a little bit of the detergents inside the drum. Then for the detergents compartment, I'll be adding this vinegar, yes. So yeah, stay tuned, guys.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I.
This is the coin I got in my machine. So before I start the drum clean, I'll be spraying the outer part of the machine, the mixture. Then I will wipe every part of this machine before we start it. yeah, then we wash our drum, and that will be all about the video, so stay tuned, guys.
Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this.
After cleaning the outer part of the machine, guys, I'm now setting the time, and because my machine has the drum clean part, I'm going with it, guys. It is 1 hour 40 minutes, so let's wait and see how clean our machine will be, so stay tuned, guys.
Yeah, but for now, I won't give it all away. 'Cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Oh, yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. They said, don't fall. Don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run. Don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's gone and so.
This is amazing, guys. My washing machine is sparkling clean and ready for the next load. So thank you so much, guys, for watching up to this point. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and give this video a like, leave a sweet comment, guys, and you can also share the video with your friends, and I will appreciate. Thank you so much. Let's meet on another one. It's a bye bye for now. Bye bye, guys. See you in my next one.